Hi everyone, my name is Joshua Jensen, founder and CEO of DBest Digital Cams. Today I'll be reviewing our marketing plan, which will go before our board of directors later this month. In this presentation, you will see an executive summary. I'll share a little bit about our company's mission, vision, and values. I'll provide an overview of our product lines, as well as share with you some of our strategic planning initiatives going forward. I'll also review our core competencies as well as our sustainable competitive advantages. And I'll also share with you the results of a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis, a SWOT analysis. I'll share with you our marketing plans, some historic and future performance data, as well as some lessons learned from this whole exercise over the last 7 weeks. Here is the executive summary of this presentation. I will allow you to read that on your own. I won't go through that here. So let's start off with our mission statement. DBest Digital Cams exists to bring everyday camera users and professional photographers quality equipment they can rely on to capture the essence of the moments that matter most. DBest is simply the best. Our vision statement here at DBest is to be the premier camera manufacturer in the world. Our digital cameras include the latest technology, are made of high quality components, and are backed by an excellent warranty. Some of the values that guide our company's decision making include honesty and integrity, both first and foremost. Then we have quality. We believe in quality not only in products, but also in our service experience with customers. We also take care of our environment, our employees, and our community and society at large. And our final company value is fiscal responsibility. We believe in being smart with our financial resources. So to go over our two main product lines, our first is our everyday line. This is also known as the entry-level camera line. Our everyday camera line digital cameras are affordable. They feature comfortable, easy-to-use design and are perfect for capturing those everyday memories. We also have a professional line camera, also known as a multi-feature camera. Our professional line of digital cameras feature the latest advanced technology, are made of the highest quality materials, and come with our award-winning customer support and best warranty coverage in the industry. Our strategic focus here at DBest Digital Cams includes several goals going forward. Number one, our first and foremost goal is to attain a 5-star PQ rating for our professional camera line. We're currently at 4.5 stars, which is highest in the industry, but our goal is to get to a 5-star PQ rating. Another goal of ours is to maintain a 3-star PQ rating for our everyday camera line. This again is one of the higher PQ ratings in the industry among the market of everyday cameras, so we want to maintain that strong rating as well. Our goal is to maintain an image rating of 95 or above. We're currently at 100, and we've been at 100 for the last few years, so we again anticipate staying very high as far as image rating. Our goal is to maintain an A- or better credit rating. That's currently where we're at. We've been there for the last 5 years. We anticipate moving to A credit status by next year. And finally, our final goals as far as performance go, we have the goal of increasing earnings per share and return on equity by 8% annually. And again, we have that number based on feedback from our shareholders. Some of our core competencies here, again, I've reviewed a few of them already, but our high quality everyday camera line with a 3-star rating is definitely a core competency of ours. Our quality on our professional line is a core competency of ours as well. Again, we're unbeaten in that arena as far as quality goes with the professional line. Our best in-class warranty on professional line cameras. Again, we offer a 3-year warranty, which is one of the best warranties in the industry. One of our other competitors is offering a 3-year warranty as well, but we really pride ourselves on our customer service that comes along with that warranty. And then finally, best-in-class customer support. We do believe for that to be most effective on the professional line, but we also pride ourselves in our quality with our everyday line cameras as well. And also, we have been a Gold Star Award recipient for corporate citizenship for the last several years. So we anticipate that continuing. But here at DeBest, we have a strong corporate citizenship program. We believe in green initiatives and energy saving initiatives, and we've invested significant dollars in those items. So looking at the company, looking at the 30,000 foot view here, what is our sustainable competitive advantage here at DeBest? And really it comes down to three things. Number one is, again, our quality products, unsurpassed in the industry, our excellent customer support, both with warranty as well as just tech support and customer service calls. And then, of course, our corporate citizenship is among the strongest in the industry as well. DeBest, here we performed a situational analysis. This is also known as a SWOT analysis, where we review our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And I just want to review with you the results of that analysis. Excuse me. First of all, we looked at our internal situation and we looked at our strengths and weaknesses from an internal perspective. And we see definitely among our strengths are our high PQ ratings on the professional line, as well as our high image rating and strong credit rating. Our strong corporate citizenship also is a strength of ours, as well as the significant investment we've made in research and development over the last several years. And then finally, one thing we're finding to be a strength here at DeBest is that we really outsource manufacturing production very little. Most of our assembly is done in-house, which is definitely a strength of ours. Some weaknesses that we identify that we need to work on here at DeBest. Number one is pricing. Again, we shoot for quality in our cameras, and with quality comes higher pricing. So number one, we definitely have a high price professional line. It's not the highest though, but again, that high price goes along with the high quality and the image of the camera that we're manufacturing. We also are a little bit higher price on the everyday line. We're not the highest price in the industry. We're second highest. But again, our 3-star PQ rating of our everyday line is higher than most competitors as well. Another weakness that we identified is a number of unstaffed workstations. There's an opportunity to increase production. If we increase demand through our marketing strategies, we have the capacity to increase production, which means we could produce more and make more revenue. So that's something we'll be looking at in the future. And then the final weakness we identified is our debt. We do carry some debt. However, the amount that we've been pulling from our credit line each year has been reduced year by year. So we're increasingly relying less on debt, but we still nonetheless do have debt that we have to repay back, which includes interest costs. When we did our situational analysis, we also looked at the external environment. We looked at the digital camera market and some opportunities that we identified. Number one, we have the opportunity here at DeBest to find greater regional diversification. We're very heavily invested in Latin America, which is our largest market, as well as North America. Definitely have some room to grow in the European market as well as the Asian market. So we'll be looking at greater regional diversification here in the next couple of years. The other opportunity we identified was the opportunity to expand market share through more competitive pricing. Of course, we realized that there could have been a different strategy taken. Some of our competitors have taken more of a low price strategy and have gained good market share with that strategy. But again, we're sticking with our strategy of high quality, and we're going to penetrate those other markets as far as Asia and Europe goes a little more in the future. Some threats that we've identified regarding the external analysis. Number one is political uncertainty. As a multinational enterprise, we always entertain risk in performing operations and sales in other countries. So that's something we definitely are monitoring on a daily basis, is just the political environment of the countries that we do business in. Also, exchange rate risk. We've seen quite a bit of fluctuation in exchange rate over the last several years. So that's another risk that we weigh on an ongoing basis. And then number three, just the nature of the industry that we're in, digital cameras. There's rapid technology advancement, and that's something we need to keep ahead of the curve on. And it's something that if we're not careful, we could end up like Kodak and really be out of the ball game if we're not on our A game. So something that we constantly monitor is just advances in technology, making sure we're keeping up with the latest and greatest technology. So a little bit about our marketing program. First, we'll look at our everyday line sales strategy. Again, this is our entry-level camera line. Our strategy or our marketing program here is to maximize retail coverage in all regions. We've always taken full advantage of all the retail outlets in all of our regions, and so we intend to continue that going forward. We're going to continue to target our 3-star PQ rating on our everyday line of cameras. We'll also continue to target our mid-range pricing strategy as well. We do have a significant marketing budget. We've increased that budget year over year, both on both lines, but particularly with our everyday line camera. We also offer a good, strong warranty with our everyday line, better than some of our competition, the same as a lot of our competition at 2 years. So we'll definitely continue to provide that strong warranty coverage. And then, of course, here at DeBest, one of our values is excellent customer support. So we will continue to provide that as well. Looking to our professional line sales strategy, again, we'll here maximize retail coverage in all regions. And we're going to target our 5-star PQ rating, again, currently at 4.5 stars, which is higher than our competition. I think the closest competitor to us is currently at a 4-star. Our other competitors are at 3-star and 2-star. So by next year, though, we anticipate on hitting 5-star PQ rating, and we'll really push our marketing programs surrounding that quality initiative. We're going to continue to pursue the high-end pricing strategy to match the quality. So again, consumers tend to perceive value when they pay more for products. So we will continue to pursue the high-end pricing strategy. And we'll also continue to offer our best-in-class warranty as well as our best-in-class customer support for our professional line of cameras. I wanted to share with you some performance data, some financial data regarding DeBest. Number one is net revenues. We're currently just under $500 million in revenues. And you could see, according to the chart here, over the last 7 years, our revenues have increased 145%. So definitely good trajectory, good growth in sales revenues over the last 7 years here. Earnings per share, we're currently at $3.81. That's a 91% increase over the last 7 years. Started out at $2 per share. So again, strong growth here in EPS. Return on equity, we're currently at 25.7%. That's a 71% increase over the last 7 years. We began at 15% in year 5. Our stock price is strong. It's currently at $67 per share. That's a 123% increase over the last 7 years. 7 years ago, it was $30 per share. So again, strong growth, good upward trend in stock price. Our image rating, as I mentioned a little earlier, we're currently at 100, which is, of course, the highest image rating a company can attain. And we've held that for the last couple of years. As I mentioned earlier, we plan on continuing maintaining a very high image rating, primarily due to our high PQ ratings on our cameras, our good, strong warranty and customer support as well. Our credit rating, you see, we have a strong credit rating, currently at A-, and it's been that way for the last 5 years. And as I mentioned earlier in the presentation, we do anticipate moving our credit rating to an A rating by next year. So looking ahead, some projections that we're making based on current trends. You see in year 12, we anticipate our EPS, our earnings per share, at $4.12. We anticipate our return on equity being about 28.8%, which is a good strong increase. Credit rating, again, anticipate A credit rating. Image rating 100, and we anticipate our stock price to be $73 in year 12. And then looking out one more year, we see about an 8% increase, which is right in line with our strategic goals. EPS target for year 13 is $4.45. Return on equity target is 31.1%. And again, we anticipate an A credit rating, a 100 image rating, and a stock price of about $82 in year 13. So this is the path that we're on target to hit if we continue to do what we've been doing and take full advantage of our market strategy. Some lessons learned over the last several weeks throughout this Globus experience for me. Number one, I realized that high quality strategy takes time to implement. Because the production of components really, as you enhance those components, it really increases the price, which decreases your financial performance. So I realized that executing the high quality strategy really took a number of years and cycles to get where I wanted to get with that. So, and I also realized another lesson learned, there are definitely opportunities to be more profitable that are available. Definitely could have taken a low price strategy, probably would have implemented that quicker. But again, my strategy approach throughout this simulation was the high quality approach, and with that it took a little more time to be profitable. Number three, I learned the importance of monitoring the competition and anticipating their moves. In the beginning, the first couple weeks, I kind of glanced over those competitive intelligence reports, but I found myself as time went on really studying those deeper to see what the competition was doing. Really question myself, do I really have a claim of high quality? Do I really have a claim of high customer service and warranty support? And the only way to determine that is by really understanding those competitive intelligence reports. And the final lesson learned, more of a personal one, is I realized I like marketing a lot more than I thought. Going into this class, I was a little bit ambivalent toward marketing. Didn't really excite me, but going through this class, I thought our text was good. And then going through the Globus simulation as well really gave me a hands-on, more application of marketing. So I really appreciated that. So I ended up really enjoying the class. I could actually say I like marketing now a lot better than I did anyway. And so I appreciate you listening, and I hope you guys all have a great day.